There's a saying that old habits die hard, and driving past McDonald's now, which just opened for the first time in 3 months where I live, it's not hard to see that that's true. I'm disappointed that people that have lived without something, which is difficult to justify as anything but a vice, as something that's unhealthy, that's a substance that people use to cope with things that are going on in their lives. So I'm not saying they use it to cope with pain exactly, but you cope with the pain of boredom by filling it with pleasurable things like eating unhealthy food. So it's an unhealthy habit in many respects, and I'm not saying that you have to go extreme and cut everything out of your life that does any sort of damage to you, but it's a shame that people are so willing to jump back into that habit when they've been forcibly made to not engage with that habit for so long, and they've lived fine without it, presumably. It just gave me something to think about, and I hope it gives you something to think about. Just take a second to think about jumping back into old habits that you've maybe been able to give up during the lockdown. Have a think about, do you need to go to McDonald's? You've done without it fine for a long time. If you do, then go for it. That's not a problem, but I think it's important to give it some consideration. Certainly something I'm doing. I'm sure I'll go back there, but I'm not desperate for it. I'm fine without it, and it's quite nice to see that, and it's something I'm bearing in mind. So when to put it out there, it's a bit of food for thought. So thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you soon.